Hello everyone, my name is Kelvin and in this video 123, we're going to talk about how do we calculate a duration between a time in and time out with a specific output format that is required using the time left and also time and left function used and also custom number formatting. Now let's take a look at what I mean by this. So I have a timesheet that is given here. Now this is top here is a sample. So if let's say the time in is registered like this, it's not even a time, it's 1505 1630. And basically they are just text. So what you need to output is to show how many hours and minutes, or you can show a total duration in minutes, or you want to show the hour and minutes in like the first digit is hour, the rest is what do you call this? Minute. Right. So it's kind of confusing to see the last one, but anyway, that's what they want. So it depends on how you would like to show it, right? So I'm going to give you an example in a while. So the first thing we need to do is to calculate it. So we tell them equals to, now we need to take the time, end time minus the start time. So to calculate the duration, so we're going to work with the 1630 first. So I'm going to tell them, convert this information into time. So when I convert it into time, the first thing I need to do is to tell them of this information, which one is the hour and which one is the minute. So the first two digit is the hour and the second two digit is actually the minute, and we don't have the seconds. So which means I'm going to tell them go to the left of this particular text, E12, comma, and I need two characters from that, right? And the minute will be the right-hand side, go to the right of this E12, and I'm going to take out two characters, plus I do not know how many seconds, so I'm just going to put 0. So if I press enter now, it's 4:30 p.m. Exactly what it is, right? Exactly 4 p.m. So then I'm going to look into D12. So this one, minus, again, I'll use the same concept, time, and I'm going to take the left-hand side of that, the D12, okay, comma 2, then close bracket, that is the hour, and now I'm going to look for the minute, right-hand side of the D12, right, comma 2, and 0 for the seconds. So when I press enter, it shows me this number. Okay, it showed me this number. So it's actually 1 hour 25 minutes. This is correct. However, it's not showing the format I want. So that's the format that I'm planning to use. Okay, so what I will do is I'll just right click this, go to the format cell, then enter the custom. I will remove whatever that is already used in here. So I'm going to take now like my sample up here. H actually means the number of hours. So I want to show it in H. So that's 1H. Then I want to show the minute that I have to use M. Okay, so M and close bracket. So that's how it looks like just now, like this kind of thing here. Right. So when I press OK, this is how it looks like. Ta-da. So this is how it is being presented. So they wanted something like a total number of pets. I just equal. I don't want to write the formula all over again. So this is what I want to do, but I want to show it in total minutes. So 1 hour 25 minutes is altogether is 85 minutes. Right. So again, the only difference is the format. So I go to the format. I'll type in the square bracket M. So that will turn it into a round number. Then I'll put there M. Right. Not M, but M. Yeah, 85 minutes with the open close quote. There you go. It is showing like this. If I do not want to show the M, I can do that as well. I just go back this and take away the M. So just put the square bracket with the M. Right? There you go. Then this one is equals to this cell. Again, I'm getting the same answer like this. But this doesn't really make sense unless I put 2H and 2M. So let's just say I put the HH and M. Like that. Okay, so I can show that. Right. So this doesn't make a lot of sense, but however, let's improvise this a little bit. So all this, I will convert it into the formatting. like I said here, we will choose HHMM, right? So HHMM. When I do that, it shows like this. Okay, so yeah, just to give you some idea how it can be shown, if you look at it. Well, I improvise this a little bit. Now, in case there is someone in your circle of friends or your network need this kind of information and they need to know more, please contact me, all right? And share this with all the people that you know that require this kind of time in and time out. But the information given to them is not even in the time format. How do you calculate? Right. So now I show you how you can do that. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and share, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and my TikTok. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video 124. Bye bye.